Hi, everyone. This is Kingsley Morrison back with you again, and it is the season of Epiphany, the time of the Christian year where we celebrate Yahweh the Creator's revelation of Himself in and through the life and ministry of Jesus. The word Epiphany means to cause to appear or to bring to light. In the season of Epiphany, we focus on Jesus and the unfolding manifestation of His glory. As John in the first chapter and the 14th verse states, He, Jesus, being full of grace and truth. From the wise men's visit, the Magi from the east, to the baptism of Jesus by John in the river Jordan, and his turning of water to wine at Cana, the common theme that surrounds Jesus is manifestation. What had been in large part hidden for centuries, how that the Creator would restore humanity to right relationship with Himself, was now being made known. Wow. Wow, indeed. One of the things that our times increasingly reveal is the reality of humanity's terminality, the presence of entropy. Our world and its systems are breaking down. There is an adriftness to our world, a movement towards what the prophetic books of Daniel and Revelation speaks to as a final stage and destiny of disorder. There is no getting away from what we are witnessing with our own eyes. As the fallen nature of the human condition, whether in our own infirmities and human propensities or that of the world around us. The overarching importance of this fourth week of Epiphany is humanity's need for healing. The Creator, through the 5th century BC prophet Malachi, declares in Malachi, the 4th chapter and the 2nd verse, "But for you who fear my name," this is Yahweh speaking, "the Son of Righteousness will rise with healing in its wings, and you will go forth and skip about like calves in a stall." From Jesus' birth to the beginning of his ministry, the healing and restoration of his mission and kingdom break in. In Jesus, the Creator has made, He has revealed the way back to order and escape from disorder. The account of Jesus' ministry of healing shows that He, the Creator, is concerned about the restoration of humanity's whole person, body, soul, and spirit. Jesus heals, forgives, cleanses, and restores. This week, I encourage you to be open about where in your life you are in need of the Creator's healing and restoration. Where do you need Jesus, the Son of Righteousness, to break in and to bring His healing and restoration into your situations? Also, how your prayers and intercessions for others will request of Jesus His healing and restoration in their lives. Until next time, blessings.